of printers that we will introduce is the F40, F60, F90, and the F166. These printers use what is known as a flash fuser. Because of this technology, the printers have a very stringent power requirement of 230 volts AC, plus or minus 3%. The printers use tractors to feed forms into the printer, where it uses a high-intensity light from a xenon bulb that flashes to fuse the toner to the paper. The output of the xenon lamps create an extreme amount of heat for a very short duration. This allows the toner to be fused to the media without the use of a pressure roller. One of the advantages of the flash fuser is speed. The other is that since the media does not have to go through a traditional heat fuser, it can print media such as labels easier, therefore reducing jams with adhesive media due to high heat. Once printed, it feeds the paper out the back into a stacker unit. The F90 and F166 are wider and can print two 8.5 by 11 sheets side by side for more efficiency. Other things to remember about the flash fuser series are: the 40 and 60 have one developer motor, and for the 90 and 166, they have two motors for faster output. Also, make a note when loading the paper in the tractors, the left tractor is positioned all the way to the left as the paper is left justified. Another difference to note is, the F90 and F166 have larger flash fuser units because there are two bulbs. One is a xenon bulb, and the other is a preheat lamp. The F40 and 60 doesn't have a preheat lamp. Next is the electronics. All the printers have a controller and an engine board. The controller is the computer for the printer. The engine board is what controls the mechanics. They are both located in what is known as the service side, which is behind the back panel of the machine. Also on the service side, there is a high-voltage power supply with large capacitors for the flash fusers. They vary in size between the two series, due to the output needed for the different fusers. One last thing to mention for the flash fusers is, they don't have cutters, but they have what is known as a splitter. It is a rounded piece of metal that rolls across the perforation in the paper to help ease tearing to separate print orders. They are located in different locations between the two series. For the F40 and F60 series, they are located near the exit to the stacker. On the F90 and 166, it is located near the paper load end.